Hello mga low carber, how are you? I just show you my food for my 12 hours fasting. I'm craving spaghetti, but I want no pasta because this is high carbs and I want to maintain my uh, kilo to low more because what your BMY, that is your kilo. And also, this is high protein, high fat. It's spaghetti. Then I make only like this, bell pepper, so that I have good food, so that I don't have pimples or inflammation. Because I feel yesterday I have pain in my hand and my feet, so it means spike my sugar. So I eat hiding carbs. So I just, because I don't have maintenance, it's okay. I can eat 100 grams carbs, liberal low carb. And I just hi to Rochelle from UK. So I translate you for English, and thank you for listening to me. And I just show you they have food also. My colleague have high carbs, noodles, pancit, bihon, yes, and coke. It's so big, This is regular coke is 7 tablespoons of sugar, and this is times two, so 14 tablespoon of Coca-Cola. I mean sugar, and the noodles. This is high carbs also because this like 15 to 20 or 30 teaspoon of sugar. So 30 plus 14, it is like 14 times 2, 28. 28 plus 30, how many sugar you eat, then you have trouble for inflammation, hormonal imbalance, autoimmune disease, and if you have maintenance, increase your hypertension and diabetes. So be knowledgeable for the food you eat if you want to heal properly. Check low carb with Dr. Burge, Dr. Irish, and Dr. Rocco. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to knowledge about this food because I heal myself also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bon appetit.